Early in the morning, the desert is quiet. The sun is rising slowly in the sky. A group of camels is walking in the sand. They are not alone. Their owner is walking with them. He loves his camels. He takes care of them every day. The camels follow him. They trust him. They move together, like a family. The desert is their home. The sand is hot, but the camels are strong. They walk easily on the sand. They can go for long distances without water. That's why people call them ships of the desert. The camels look beautiful. Some are brown, some are light-colored. They have long legs and big eyes. Their owner is wearing traditional Rajasthani clothes. He looks proud of his camels. This is Rajasthan, a state in India. Many people here keep camels. They use them for travel, work, and even festivals. Watching the camels run in the desert is a beautiful sight. It shows the bond between man and animal. This is the life of the desert. This is the story of the camels of Rajasthan.
The camels keep moving slowly. Their feet make soft marks on the sand. Some camels have bells around their necks. The bells make a gentle sound as they walk. A little wind blows across the desert. The sand moves, making small waves. But the camels walk without stopping. They are used to this weather. The owner sometimes talks to the camels. He calls their names. The camels understand him. This is their daily journey. In the distance, we see some small trees. These are desert trees. They grow even with little water. The camels may stop there to rest. The man carries water with him. He gives water to the camels when needed. He also gives them food. He cares for them like his own children. Sometimes, tourists come to see the camels. They take photos and enjoy camel rides. Camel rides are fun in Rajasthan. People love the experience. In some villages, camels are used in weddings. They are decorated with colors and clothes. It looks very beautiful. The camels become part of the celebration. The sun is now high in the sky. It is getting hotter, but the camels keep moving. They are strong and calm. This is their life in the desert, a life of travel, trust, and tradition. The camels and their owner are never alone. They have each other every day. Thank you for watching this journey. The desert is silent, but full of life. This was the story of the camels of Rajasthan. In today's lesson, we will learn some new words and sentences from a beautiful story about camels in Rajasthan. These words will help you talk about the desert, camels, and daily life in Rajasthan. New verbs. 1. Walk, to move by putting one foot in front of the other. Example sentence. The camels walk slowly in the desert. Run, to move quickly on foot. Example sentence. The camels run together in a group. Trust, to believe in someone's ability or reliability. Example sentence. The camels trust their owner. Guide, to lead or show the way. Example sentence. The owner guides the camels across the desert. Rest, to stop working or moving to relax. Example sentence. The camels rest under a tree during the hot afternoon. Get, to look after someone or something. Example sentence. The man cares for his camels every day. Carry, to hold or move something from one place to another. Example sentence. The camels carry heavy loads. Stop, to cease moving or doing something. Example sentence. The camels stop to drink water. Walk, to move at a slow pace on foot. Example sentence. The owner walks with the camels every day. Give, to offer or provide something to someone. Example sentence. The owner gives water to the camels. Sentences for beginners. 1. The desert is a very dry place. The tourists took a camel ride across the desert. The camels have bells that ring as they walk. People in Rajasthan wear traditional clothes. The wind blows softly in the desert. The journey across the desert is long and hard. The camels are part of weddings in Rajasthan. People celebrate festivals with music and dance. The camels walk slowly across the hot sand. The owner cares for the camels like his family.